Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a review of a Techole bidirectional HDMI switch. And what I want to do is I want to hook up this monitor to my laptop. So what I need is this switch. So what the switch does, one end, focuses, this goes into the monitor. I'm sure that's focusing on. Goes into the monitor, this monitor here. Two HDMI cables. One goes to the one computer, desktop computer, and one goes to the notebook computer. I'll put links on Amazon where you can get this from. So what you're going to need is you're going to need 3 HDMI cables, one for the monitor, one for each computer. So when I push the switch, the desktop works. Push the switch again, the notebook now operates the desktop monitor as well. So you have 2 screens going at once. Let's get this hooked up. I'm going to do some cable management here, running cables in behind the desk so you don't see anything. Keep the desk nice and clean. And I'll show you this when we're done here. I'm going to give it a shot. Okay, here's it hooked up to the computer, both computers, and the monitor. I'll turn my light off. You can see the light's on, So the desktop monitor is working. And we'll switch to the notebook. I have to do some cable management. So many cables down here, but I want my desktop to look clean. So let's go back up top here. So right now, we have the desktop, and the notebook's running on its own. So we'll do a switch, and we'll switch the notebook screen to operate on the desktop screen. Alright, so I press the button to switch it to my laptop computer. So it's running off the laptop on the right side, and I extended the displays, so now it has a second display on the left side, the 27-inch monitor. Now I'm going to switch it back to the desktop, running a desktop monitor, to show you how fast and simple this is. It's really cool. I have to go on the desk. I have to put that cable, probably I'm going to attach it to the bottom of the desk. And so all I have to do is put my finger underneath it and push the button. So I'll do that later on tonight. But we'll switch it and see how fast it switches. Switching right now. There we are. We're done. So it's pretty cool. I highly recommend this switch. It's not a splitter. It says in the instructions it's a splitter, but this is not a splitter. This is a HDMI switch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.